Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna make a video on a day in my life at Northeastern University. It's my last few days at Northeastern University. I want to make every moment count, so I'm recording this video and I will be doing assignments as well. So let's get started. Now I am walking on the Huntington Ave, which consists of three colleges. One is the Massachusetts Art and College of Design, and the second one is Wentworth Institute of Technology, and the last one is our college, that is Northeastern University. The worst part of being in Boston is the changing weather, because it's cold right now. It was sunny in the morning, and you should carry your umbrella with you, just like I am doing, as it will be raining in half an hour. So done with the project work and now heading back to my home, sweet home. So the Christmas lights are on. That's how unpredictable the Boston weather is. It's raining torrentially and it's too cold as well. I'm a little bit confused whether to go by walking or to catch a tram. I don't know. It's too windy as well. I prefer walking because it saves me a lot of money. This is the Corey College of Computer Science. It's a long building. There is a pizza place present at the Huntington Ave. So it's called University House of Pizza. The pizza here is very good and it's cheap as well. So it's student friendly. As you have already seen in my previous videos that Museum of Fine Arts is present in the Huntington app. So I will give you a glimpse. Boston is a very beautiful city to live in, but as I said, the only thing that I don't like is the bad weather here.